Hello viewers, welcome back to Lily of the Valley. Today we are going to learn how to grow our hair naturally. As you can see, my hair is very natural. It is very natural, no chemicals added. It is just easy to do it. It takes so much courage, it takes patience to grow it, and you can do it. If I've done it, you can also do it. I just wanted to grow my hair without any chemicals, and therefore I started my own products. I started doing different recipes as I'm going to share. We'll be going step by step, to share different ones. And you can see that it is very long. I cut my hair and I started it from just grade 1, I can say. The first thing that you can do is you can get olive oil. You get 250 mils of olive oil. Then you get a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper, you can normally find it in Indian shops. They like to store it. Then you get half teaspoon of clove powder. You mix. After mixing, you mix in the olive oil, and then you put in a bottle. If you have a black bottle, you can put it there. If you don't have, you can put in any bottle. Then you just tie a plastic, and then you shake the bottle. You shake. You put it just on the window there, so that it is not directly first to the sun. And then after 7 days, you can shake again, and then you can start to scalp your hair. The thing is, most of us, we are busy and we forget one thing. The hair follicles need to be fed. That is, most of us, we just get the oil or the lotion and we just apply up there. We forget the roots of the hair. Life starts from down there, and you need to have time. You have to, at least, you make lines, you put your oil, and then you massage. You make sure you have time. You massage your hair. You massage it very well. You keep going round until you reach the end, just like that. And then you put some oil on top. Then you can make bundle knots or whatever you like. If you have airlines, that is the airlines, most of the people, like, if you love to use the wig, you start having hairlines here. So in order for you to take them out, you need to be applying at least once a day, every week. Like, you can do it even continuous 7 days. Then you start twice a week. You just keep massaging. Just within 2 weeks, you'll see a difference. You'll find that your hair has already started growing. The other thing is, for those who have kinky hair, when I mean kinky hair, us blacks, we are gifted with nice African hair. Sometimes it can be very hard, and you want to make it soft. The thing that you can do is, you get 1 medium avocado, you get 2 medium carrots, then you get 500 mils of olive oil. What you do is, you get your avocado, you smash it. If you've got a blender, you can even just blend it without adding any water.